Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with Evan, and yeah, he's in my driveway. Okay, so here's a little surprise for us to see. Check it out. It is tell us, Evan.
You guys can guess, remote control helicopter.
Okay, it's a little bright out. I can't really see, but the camera can see pretty fine. Take off. Why isn't it working? There we go. Take lift off.
No, does it hate me?
Sorry about that, guys. Let me sit in the shade right here and let you guys view it. So you have to have the thing facing the front where the light flashes. You don't? That was funny. There's my brother. You hate me? Why do you hate me? Why? Because I'm making you do this? You can take off from my hand. That seems to work a lot.
I'm just trying to get it on your hand.
And it'll fly. Come on, Aaron. Oh, it's on his hand. Let's fly.
Careful, Evan. Yay!
Looks like a real helicopter. Oh no! Crash landing! The throttle? There's a throttle. False. Oh, sorry, I wasn't filming that. I wasn't paying attention.
Try to make it land pretty good.
Okay. Did it land? Or did it crash? Really? It's a bit blurry right now. Oh, there we go. It's much better here. Yeah, he has better luck in the road, to be honest. Oh yeah, guys, comment down below if you've used a remote control helicopter and tell me what it was like. I want to know.